We have to turn on the wheel. We need a hammer.
He's fixing the back engine. That's good. That's excellent. Oh yeah, fix the little chimney. And the hood.
And the wheel.
Oh yeah, fix up.
These are the bells, the whistles. Good job, yes.
It's all fixed. Oh good. That wheel was loose. You going inside? Oh, the inside needs fixed? Okay, he's fixing it from the inside. Everything look okay? Are those loose?
Where?
The bell.
Bang. Where does it say?
Oh, good. You fixed it.